Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle. That's James. That's Birdie. Willow and Mabel. God, that's a long introduction, isn't it? Big family. Welcome back to our channel. Today I thought we would just do a bit of a come along with us. We're going to the garden centre and then we're going to the allotment, so I thought you might like to see what we get up to. Other way around, I apologise, in case you want to buy something at the garden centre. So yeah, come along with us and have a little nose at what we get up to on this wintry Saturday morning. It's still winter, isn't it? Let's go. We are here. Not sure what we're going to do, but it's nice to come and have a look. Bodie is snug. Snug as a bug. Anya, snug as a bug. Tick, tick, tick. And James is first time here since the storm.
Since the storm, since Christmas Eve.
Yes. That's what I did.
Oh yeah.
We need to get gloves and pull the tarp back. This one's pretty good. This is one where I feel like a dirt. What is that? That is great. Yeah. Maybe this is what it's about to do.
Should we go and get the
Right, I'm going to time lapse and we'll just see what we can get done. I have to interrupt. Look at that. Look at the size of him. Can you see him? Mr. Worm. Whoa. I don't know which way their heads are. Do they have eyeballs? Creepy. Hello. Put you back. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ooh, they made me squirm. It's looking good though. It is looking like there's a big, excuse Bodie's toy. It is looking like there's a big tarp. Covering.
Is it? Left, is he?
Back. It looks like there's a big tarp, potentially all this area. It's really hard to move. So we're going like that is tarp there, but it's got a good thickness of grass and weeds on top, so at least it's bringing them out. We have found bindweed though, which isn't fun, but we're going to keep going, keep digging. So we've managed to pull up a huge tarp, got rid of half of it. Still got another half to go, but it's so heavy because it is deep with what's it called? Weeds and grass from, like, I presume years, which has been left. But yeah, we're going to try and get this. This is so heavy. Half up and then maybe tackle another gooseberry brush and then go to the garden centre. Hi Papa!
He's like, no.
Do it again. Do it again. Yay! Can you see it?
Who's that?
Oh,
Papa.
Baba.
Papa.
Change of plan, Birdie wanted out, so I can't lift that. So I'm now trying to attack this gooseberry bush on my own whilst James helps the baby. Can you see me? Yes, I'm doing that bush. I think we are giving up for now anyway. I'll keep going to see. But we've done a fair bit again. I just can't go in again. Okay. I found these. Good again. Oh, so good. What is this? See it against my coat. What is that? The tops are like, have I dug up a bulb? Anyway, I managed to get the gooseberry bush out. We've managed to get that far with that. I think we're gonna call it a moment. Go to the garden centre and have a look around. I need a smoothie or something. But yeah, let's pop it away and go to the garden centre. Oh, can't see us. Off to the garden centre we go. We've given up.
We've not given up. We did a good job.
We did.
Already started to want some
Get cold.
attention and cold, so I will sneak into the truck.
Yes. So I've packed away and now we're going to go and get garden centre stuff. And fish food.
And fish food.
But it was worth coming because the neighbour gave us a ton bag. So we've got another skip bag. Woohoo! Off to the garden centre. We are at the garden centre. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We've changed someone's bum. Say hi. Let's go. He's got it in his hand. What are you gonna do with it? Oh. Balls play. Don't need soft play, you just need bouncy balls.
I've collected the 1 you 3 now.
Hello. Hello, Bobby. Very friendly. Hi. Fish food. Easy to be easy. Fishies. Fishies. Wow. What, the little fish?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh god, there's a frog! Is it alive?
Yeah, yes.
There's a frog. It. We got some fish. Oh,
Some
don't
fish.
swing them around. What did you get?
Some fish.
Was show you when we get home. Just got back to the boat. We went to Co-op and we bought some bits for lunch. The sun's in. But I'm just going to light the fire, so I'm just going to chop up some kindling to make it thinner, because I honestly think they're such a waste of money like this. You may as well chop them up a bit. So I'm going to do that, empty the fire, start the fire, do us some lunch, and then I think we're going to watch the football. I think Blues is playing, so we're going to watch the football and relax and maybe watch a film for the rest of the afternoon, I think, because James has worked really late, so it's just some family time. But yeah, I'll show you this bit and then we'll probably see you in the next one, but let's make a fire. Don't shout at me for how I do this. This is just, my fingers aren't in the way. It's just works. Stay there. Stay there. Lunch. Bodie needs some fish fingers, but and he's having half of that. Lunch. A nice fire, I think. Oh god, that's a sorry mess, isn't it? Need to fix that. Hang on. Much better. Fire. And now we chill. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Trees